Hey guys, it's Angela.
Hello everyone, my name is John De La Pena.
And today I'll be doing the minimal waste cooking challenge. The goal is to cook something and to make the least amount of waste as possible. So today I'll be making egg rolls just without the meat.
I will be cooking an omelet in a bread and Maggi / ramen omelet.
And then also another additional challenge is to cook it but without following any kind of instructions, just winging it. And I've never cooked egg rolls before, so this will be interesting.
I think this is an Indian kind of food, street food. I looked it up, I looked up the pictures. I still need the pictures. I had no idea what it is. So my idea is that I'll cook it with some pancit canton, which is Filipino. I'll use the seasoning from that. And then I'll cook it in the eggs.
I have my spring roll pastry, green onions, a carrot, some chives, my cabbage, and I have eggs. So I'll be using these ingredients to cook my egg rolls. So let's get started. Okay, so now I finished washing the cabbage and everything else, and now I'm just going to cut them into smaller pieces.
Meanwhile,
And then we wait.
I'll start with the chives. You know, I have a feeling I don't have enough chives. I only have this much. So we'll see how much I can use. I don't even know if my cutting technique is the right one. Oh, sorry about that.
Now the next thing we're gonna do is start cracking the eggs. Okay.
Okay, so I have my chives right over here. And then now I'm going to cut my green onion.
Salt. Too bad it's unhealthy. Okay, there it's softening up a bit. I still don't think it's ready. Okay, we'll leave that 2 more minutes.
5 minutes later.
I'll put it like this. Oh no! Okay, so now I've cut my carrots, my green onions, and chives, and now I'm going to cut my cabbage.
1 hour later.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I finished cutting, yay!
This is pancit canton. And then this is the chili and Philippine lemon flavor, which basically means it's spicy. I don't want to stereotype Indian cooking, but from my experience, like a lot of Indian food is spicy, at least for me. So I think this fits the theme.
Here's the after of my cutting of them.
Oh, this is gonna be so spicy. I can smell it, it's gonna make me sneeze.
So we have the cabbage, carrot, green onions, the chives, and those are the bad pieces of cabbage.
Alright, yeah, more egg.
Okay, so right now I'm going to cook the eggs. So I have some eggs over here. I'm gonna crack it and then put it in the pan, cook it, and then start making my egg rolls.
Okay, so here we have a wok. At least that's the Filipino word for pot, pan, or whatever this big round half dome is. So then I'm gonna add 1 more egg, because I have a feeling 4 eggs isn't enough for that many noodles. Plop. Oh yeah, look at that. And then mix.
I have a bowl over here. I'm gonna crack it. Oh no! Okay, don't mind that. And then after I use 3, I'll see how much more I need to use.
Now it's time for the oil. Oh my god, it's so messy. You have to stir it around. Spread the oil around the pan. It's the first time.
Okay, I think the eggs are good to go.
Let's hope this turns out okay. I've never seen something like this. Now it's time for the Sam's Club. Mixed vegetables. It has carrots, corn, green beans, and peas.
So right now I have my cameraman, which is my dad. And then hopefully this will be a better view of me cooking the eggs.
Well, we'll figure out later. Okay, that looks good. That's enough.
I forgot to put salt in my eggs. Oh well.
没关系啦，反正都是你吃。
Okay, now that we have all our ingredients cooked, cut, diced, ready to roll, we are going to now use my pastry and then start rolling it up. But the thing is, I don't know how to roll it. So I just have to wing it.
Yeah.
I had to let it heat up longer.
Yeah.
Aw.
So it dries up and hold them, you know.
Yeah. What should I do now then?
It's okay though.
So I made dumplings before, so it should be the same concept. I'm not too sure though. Okay, so I asked my dear mother to help me demonstrate how to make a spring roll. So this is what my mom made, and it looks pretty nice. So I'm going to copy what she did, and then I'm going to do one of my own and do more of my own.
Okay, there we go.
And then according to my mom, I need to put some in the corner of the pastry. And then as I roll, I fold one side in, and then I roll again. I fold the other side in, and then I fold until it looks like this. No, I think it doesn't look that bad. So hey guys, my mom already put in 4 just for demonstration. So now I'm going to try it myself. Let's get this spring roll. Gently slide it in. Gently slide it in. And I gotta be very careful to make sure the oil doesn't splatter. These are some of the ones that I first finished. And they smell pretty nice. I finished cooking, yay, without having to burn down the house, thankfully. So this is the finished product. Oh, this is really thick. Thick one. Oh, it's not very easy to... Okay, I got it. And then now I'm going to rate how well it tastes. So it's gonna be out of 10. 10 is the most delicious thing I've ever tasted, and 1 is like, what in the world? First bite. I would say the outside layer is really crunchy and nice, but the inside is a little bit bland. And like when I was making it, I realized that it was probably gonna be a little bit bland because I didn't put like salt or any other seasoning in here. So I'm probably gonna like add some other sort of seasoning with this, and then I think it'll be pretty good. So I give it like a 6.5/7.
Okay, now time for me to taste test.
Mmm, delicious.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so after today, I have collected this much trash. These are the product of my cooking. Well, besides the spring rolls. I have some cabbage that I didn't use because they were a little bit bad. And then I have these eggshells that I used from the eggs. So there are a total of 12 pieces of eggshells, but like they're half. So in total it's 6 eggshells, 6 whole eggshells. And that is the trash I produced after creating this.
For this, we have the egg carton, which is recycling number PEP1. Right now, I don't know what it means, but I do know there's like different numbers for recycling. Like some numbers can be recycled, others can't. So I'll figure out what that recycling number 1 means later. And then we have the packet for the pancit canton. It is recycling PP number 5. I like this challenge and I would definitely be willing to do it again. I'm glad that I finally did it today.
It was really fun at trying this new thing out because I'd never done it before. But thanks to my mom's help, I was able to accomplish this challenge. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!